channel. I am unboxing the July Sephora Play bag, and I'm also throwing in the Play Luxe by Sephora. I also purchased this separately, so I figured I'd do it both unbaggings in one video. Now we'll compare the two as well. So Sephora Play is the monthly subscription, and it is $10 a month, and you get five or six samples. You always get like a perfume or an extra. This is the Play Luxe bag, and this was their volume 1, and this was $25. It was a one-time purchase. Now the reason why they call it Luxe is because they're very, very expensive high-end products in this bag, and you do get a collectible bag with it as well. I know that there is La Mer in here. There are a whole bunch of different products, and I will show you guys this for sure. This is not a subscription, this is a one-time purchase. And because this is volume 1, that means that a volume 2 would be coming out. But let's get into the July, my regular July Sephora Play. This is what the box looks like when you open it up, and you always get your 50 Beauty Insider points. You can bring this into a Sephora store, and with any purchase, you'll get 50 extra points onto your account, and you can redeem it for products and samples and stuff. And I get a lot of free things with these points. Okay, so the theme for this month is the good stuff, and you do get all your products on one side, and then the other side, they give you some like informational things like these beauty blends, good for you ingredients, drinking the goodness, you know, stuff like that. So that's really cute. So they usually have something on the bag that goes with the theme, but for some reason this month they just did like a really plain white and red bag. This is basically just their logo for the Sephora Play bag, and it just says Play by Sephora. So I mean, I don't have one like this, so I'm okay with it. It doesn't really jump out at me, but it is white with the red ribbon, and it's their signature fabric. One month they had like this really, really comfortable like t-shirt, like this t-shirt fabric, and that bag was really nice. I actually still use that one. All right, so let's just get right into it. And the first thing I'm gonna pull out is something that everybody received, and it is from Tarte. And this is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Pate. And that is, I said it that way because that is how it is spelled, if you can see that. I love this blush. I actually am using this right now, but in the shade Feisty, and I've had that for so long, and I use it all the time, and it's this size too, so I can tell you that these blushes last you forever. So this is what it looks like close up. I think it's a really pretty neutral shade, and let's swatch it a little bit. It's so light, I don't even know if you'll be able to see much of it on my skin. It's very faint. I put it on right here. I don't even think you can see it. A soft silky powder blush in a Sephora exclusive shade that looks flawless for hours. Mineral pigments let you layer color without overdoing it. Fine Amazonian clay controls oil and infuses moisture for seamless blending. The result is a glow from within look. You could also use this as like an eyeshadow, where you would just use it like you would define your crease a little bit with this. So the next product is also from Tarte, and I really love this packaging. I think it's so adorable. Look at that. It is a Tarte lipstick, and the color, the shade is in Salt Life. That is it at the bottom, and this is just such adorable packaging. I love the way this looks, and you get like, you don't get a lot of product. That's about it, but the shade is absolutely gorgeous. This is just so up my alley. These are the shades that I really like to wear. And it says it's a long wear, full coverage nude lipstick with a satin finish that hydrates and conditions. This ultra creamy lipstick pairs premium pigment with antioxidant rich algae and marine flower extracts. Lips look visibly firmer, fuller, and smoother. So let's do a little swatch. I don't want to waste too much of it. Oh, it's just so pretty. This is another, if I didn't have so many lip products, we'll see, because this is something that I would repurchase. It does not say that it is a matte, which I love that it's not a matte. Because we've been getting so many matte lipsticks, I'm actually really happy that it's not matte. But this is the shade, and it is gorgeous. I love this. I can't wait to try this out. So I'm really enjoying so far. We got the blush from Tarte and the lipstick from Tarte. All right, so the next thing, I'm gonna grab this little thing out. Okay, so this is actually the bonus for the month, and this is the, I'm not gonna be able to pronounce this, the Rawa, yep, can't pronounce it, this brand's, the colorful hair mask for gorgeous color, rainforest grown, plant derived color complex, restores key color pigment. So this is like a hair mask, which is perfect because I do color my hair, and I actually just did it I think last week. I always like to use like a mask like this about 2 weeks after I color it, so I'm really looking forward to trying this. So the next thing is something I wanted to try, but it's also from Tarte. So 3 Tarte products. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser, and it's a little itty bitty guy, good for travel, but I've really wanted to try this. I was gonna buy this a few times, and I'm actually glad that I didn't because now I get to try it. And that's what I love about these subscription boxes. It says it's a hard-working daily face cleanser that leaves skin super soft and hydrated, removes excess oil, impurities, and even waterproof makeup. The next thing, which I thought was a perfume, but it's not. This is actually a pretty pricey brand. It's the Caudalie Vino Perfect Essence. It's a concentrated brightening essence, and it comes in like this little, it's almost like what you would get with the perfume samples, but when you open it up, it's right here. And this is a gentle treatment that removes dead skin, so serums and moisturizers can do their thing. It's a lightweight formula, uses glycolic acid, which I love. That just goes, it's so good for my skin. White peony extract and 100% organic grape water to visibly balance skin tone, even texture, and brighten. I actually really like essences. I will use my toner first, and then I will put this on to just get off whatever other excess junk is on your face, and I really like it. I haven't used such a high-end one like this, so this is the size, and I think this is an okay amount. And then last but not least is from Josie Maran, and it's the Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter, and it's ultra hydrating, it says. Now, another little tiny sample, but this is the way Sephora goes with their samples. They're usually just really tiny, and this is it close up. So it is like a whipped butter face cream. It says it's a hydrated moisturizer that nurtures, protects, and leaves skin soft, smooth, and glowing. Pure argan oil packed with essential fatty acids and vitamin E, nurtures and protects skin. Watermelon seed oil, shea butter, and cucumber extracts leave skin smooth, while aloe nectar reduces sign of irritation. Let's see, no seal on it, but let's see if I can put a little bit on my skin. Yeah, so it goes on like just a regular cream. It is very, it seems very lightweight, so maybe it will work for a night cream. I'm definitely gonna try it, and hopefully it'll work. It actually absorbs really quickly, so I think maybe this will be good for me. It has a very light scent, nothing heavy at all. But that's it for the July play bag. So we got this Josie Maran face cream, the Tarte cleanser, we got the Tarte blush, we got the Tarte lipstick, and then the Caudalie essence, and then the bonus was this color mask. Overall, for $10, I like everything that came in the box. I wish I didn't have 3 of the same brands, but I do like everything that came in this month's box. I can't wait to show you guys the Luxe bag. I really like it. I think, yes, it was $25, and it is a bit pricey, but wait until you see the products that are in here. So this is exactly how it came. It came in a box, and then it was in this bag. You got this really, really cool makeup bag. I love the color, and this is good for like brushes for travel. Let's grab the cards out. So you do get like these special, they call them collectible cards. I will not keep these. I don't know who will, but they will help me at least show you and describe to you the products that are in here. So it says here, Volume 1, You Deserve Nice Things. So lather up in La Mer, prime with pure gold and indulge with Play Luxe from Sunday to Monday. And that's that there. And you do get also the 50 bonus points at Sephora. You can't use it online, but you can use it at any Sephora or the Sephora inside JCPenney. So just any full-size purchase, and then you get your 50 points. First thing I'm grabbing out is from La Mer, and it's the eye concentrate. And yeah, I know it's a really tiny sample, but this product is like, it's like ridiculously expensive. This is the size. I know it's really tiny. It really is a small sample. I'm not gonna like test it because it's so expensive. I think it's like $200. There's no seal on it, but that's okay because it did come in the box. It says La Mer the eye concentrate. This lavish eye cream is highly coveted. So the card for this says, this lavish eye cream is highly coveted for a reason. It nixes the appearance of dark circles with hematite, a magnetically charged mineral. While it softens and smooths skin, your eyes are the windows to your soul. Show them some respect. And this is what the full size looks like. So it must come with that little applicator that you can use. And then it says here, you've been upgraded. Consider your bags checked. SK2. It's the RNA Power Radical New Age Moisturizing Cream. So it's really tiny. I mean, it's really small. But these little jars, actually a little bit goes a very long way. I will use every last bit of this too. And it's full right to the top. So, I mean, you're getting a good amount of product. A best-selling velvety face cream that visually firms and smooths fine lines and wrinkles immediately and over time. It's packed with sake-derived patera, featuring a blend of vitamins, amino acids, and minerals. Well, cheers to that. And this is the full size. And then it says, may your face cream be as rich as your emergency chocolate. That's cute. Yeah, that's cute. I might hang some of these like on the wall behind my desk at work. Sometimes I like to hang like little quotes up. It just makes me smile throughout the day. So the next product is from Guerlain. I cannot pronounce these high-end products. They're always like the most difficult names. But it says it's a radiance concentrate with pure gold. It's a makeup base. So I guess, yeah, it could be used as a makeup base. So this is the packaging. It comes in just a little box like this. And then it's really pretty because it has like these little gold specks. And you're getting a pretty decent size. For something like this, yeah, I think this is a good size. So this is what it looks like. And it has like these little gold specks. So that's really cool. And it is a little pump, so you don't gotta worry about like making a mess with it. It says, why should jewelry have all the fun? This decadent skin perfecting primer is infused with flakes of pure 24 karat gold. Its coolant gel formula smooths, hydrates, and preps skin for flawless, long-lasting makeup. Wow, so I'll be putting gold on my face. That should be fun. So this is what the full size looks like. It even looks luxurious. It says, the only flakes in your life should be 24 karat. So that's another cute little saying. So the next thing is from Giorgio Armani, and it is the Eyes to Kill Classico Length and Volume Mascara. And it does come in like this little package here. So when you open it up, it just looks like this. It almost looks like the perfume sample cards, but it's mascara. Now I'm not gonna open this up because I do not want it to dry out. I know that the brush looks just like a regular brush, nothing fancy about the brush, but it's a good size. It's a routine size mascara sample, and I'm sure it's in black, and I'm really looking forward to trying this because I've never tried like an Armani mascara. A splendid high performance mascara that gives your lashes length, volume, and texture in just one swipe. Its asymmetrical bristles evenly coat every last lash with pitch black pigment for major drama, the good kinds. So this is, if you can see, that is what the brush looks like, and this is what the full size is. So you can see it's not like a fancy brush, it's just a regular mascara brush. And then it says, you work too hard to have lackluster lashes. All right, so the next product is from Yves Saint Laurent. I think I said that right. Like I said, these high-end products have some crazy names. This is the Tatouage Couture Liquid Matte Lip Stain, and it's in the color One Rouge Tatouage, and it's a really pretty like red color, as it's a lightweight luxurious lip stain in a vibrant pink red shade for a low maintenance, high impact look that lasts from brunch to galas. The no feather formula and unique liner like applicator tip create perfectly lined lips every time. This is what the applicator looks like, and I'm gonna do a little swatch because this looks like a really, really pretty color. It's a very light formula. You could feel how luxurious this is, and you can just feel how expensive it is. That's the shade. I think that this is gorgeous. It's like, I don't know if you could see it on camera. To me, they say it's like a pink red, but to me it just looks like a bright red. And I really like this. I think this is so pretty. And this is what the full size looks like. Lip it up, sis, you earned it. I am loving these little quotes. Last but not least is the Allure Cologne, Iris Rebel Cologne Absolute. I guess that's the scent. But this is actually a really good size. This is that packaging of the perfume, and it's a really good size. You're not getting like that tiny little sample. Let's see what it smells like, because I did not smell this at all. But it says this fresh floral blend adds that dash of flair with notes of orange flower, absolute, black pepper, and white musk accord, plus Moroccan iris that blooms as it touches your skin. Prepare to be stopped and sniffed. Okay, this is really nice. I'm really liking this. And it's, oh, thank goodness, it's a spray. I love it. I'm so glad it's not like a roller ball. All right, let's see what it smells like. Oh, I am praying that I like this. Ooh, I do. Okay, I'm so picky with fragrances, and this, I could smell the orange in it, the orange flower, absolutely. That's the first note that I smell, but you could see that it gets a little musky, and you could kind of smell every single note that they're mentioning. The orange flower, the black pepper, the white musk. I have no idea what Absolute is, so I don't know, but I really like it. Eat, drink, and smell fancy. So that is that quote, and this is the full-size bottle of this cologne, of this perfume. So for $25, I loved this bag. I know that the samples are small, and I know that like you're not going to be keeping these cards or anything like that, but I like the products. I mean, we got this really good size perfume, this pure gold makeup base, the Saint Laurent lip stain. Then we got Giorgio Armani mascara, which you'll definitely get a good amount of uses out of this. Out of all of these, you'll get a good amount of uses. And then we got the La Mer eye concentrate. This has to be about $300. I mean, that's what I'm thinking. This is a very expensive brand, so I'm sure it's very pricey. So this is a little bit goes a long way. So even though the size is so tiny, little goes a long way. And then we got the moisturizing cream from SK2. So overall, I like it. I'm looking forward to seeing their volume 2 bag. I can't wait to see that. I will most likely buy that one too, of course. So, you know, hopefully that will be out within the next few months. But you also get this nice little makeup bag too. So overall, very worth it. Is it compared to the Play bag? It is. But these are more high-end products, and then your Play bag is just basic products that everybody or almost everybody can get. I love them both. I will continue to get the Sephora Play. I'll have links down below so that I don't know if this Luxe bag is available anymore, but I will definitely have the link if it is available. But either way, I'll have the Sephora Play link down below. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I always appreciate the support. And until my next video, I will see you guys soon. Bye.